Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to get EverWebinar registration HTML embedded code. So before we get started with that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So here's a simple step-by-step guide to get your EverWebinar registration HTML embedded code. So the first thing to do is to make sure you log in into your webinar account, then go to your webinar dashboard and select webinar you want the embedded code for. So from the left hand menu, click integration or registration settings depending on your version. Then look for the embedded option or registration form embedded code. Then copy the HTML embedded code provided, then paste the code into your website, landing page or blog where you want the registration form to appear, and done. Visitors can now register directly from your site using the embedded EverWebinar form, and that's how you can easily get a EverWebinar registration HTML embedded code right from your EverWebinar. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.